Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a poll in a Microsoft Teams meeting. First, you need to schedule your meeting. So in the calendar tab, select the title, set your name, and add other information. Once done, now click on the save button at the top right. After that, you will have to click on the meeting where you want to create the poll. Then click on edit. Here, you need to click on chat at the top left. Now at the bottom, you will find the polls option, so click on it. Here, I will simply create a multiple choice poll. So you just need to input your questions and add your options. Now, if you want participants to choose multiple answers, you can enable this option. However, in my case, I only want respondents to select one response from the provided options. Now click on the preview button at the bottom. Now here you can see the preview of the card you will be sending. Now, if you want to create another poll, simply click on the polls option at the bottom and then create your new poll. Once you have done so, now go ahead and launch your poll. So you need to click on the join button at the top right. Then click on join now in this window. Now as you can see, I am currently in the meeting. So simply you just need to launch the poll in the meeting. Now you need to open up your created poll and then simply click on send. So that is how you can easily create and share a poll in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.